I'm Jason.
And I'm Jack.
And we're gonna show you how we designed the Rep Safety Squat Bar. So why a safety squat bar? Well, a safety squat bar is an incredible assistance movement for the standard barbell squat, meaning that everyone can benefit from using a safety squat bar in their training. The reason being is the safety squat bar is designed with a camber that puts the weight down and in front of you. Now this forces you to keep an upright posture when doing a squat, which works your core as well as your upper back to a greater extent than a standard barbell squat.
Another benefit of the safety squat bar is that it decreases stress on your upper body, specifically in your shoulders, your elbows, and your wrists. This allows people with low mobility or people who are working through injuries to train stress-free.
It's not just a tool for people with low mobility or injuries. Because of the weight distribution, it provides a new stimulus and has lots of carryover to other lifts such as the squat and the deadlift.
Overall, while this is a premium durable barbell that has a great space in a commercial gym, its versatility makes it a great addition for your home gym where space is a little bit more limited.
So we're gonna tell you about what makes this bar so great, but let's start with some highlights. So this hefty 65-pound bar has standard Olympic-sized hard chrome sleeves, as well as this beautiful metallic black powder coat finish. The pad is made out of high density, durable, yet comfortable foam, and to top it all off, we got these beefy, knurled handles. Now let's jump into some details.
Throughout this video, you're going to see a lot of examples of exercises being done with the safety squat bar, like good mornings, lunges, and front squats. Before we do all that though, we're going to show you the most basic of exercises, the back squat, which Jason's going to help me demonstrate.
So I've turned the bar around for demonstration purposes, and I'm going to show you some tips and tricks if you've never used a safety squat bar before. So first, when getting set up on the safety squat bar, you want to ensure the pad is sitting comfortably on your traps and shoulders, not too far back and not too far forward, which is comfortably in place. And you can see that when the pad is set in a comfortable position, that the bar is naturally balanced. So when performing the squat, you really just want to hold the handles so that the balance stays in place. You don't need to pull up or push down on the handles. However, if you do this, just know that it does change the stimulus of the movement a little bit. And it's not a good thing or a bad thing, just not 100% necessary to do.
We realize there's a lot of safety squat bars on the market. We've used these bars, tested these bars, and compared them to each other to look for areas of improvement, which led us to the bar you see here today, which we believe is one of the better safety squat bars on the market.
Let's talk about the camber. But first, what is camber? So camber is what pushes the weight forward from the center of the bar when it's resting on your back. Now this is what makes the safety squat bar so special, as the camber is what pitches you forward during the movement and forces you to engage your core and upper back to a greater extent. So we're gonna have Jack demonstrate the camber on our bar. So on our bar, we used a camber angle of 30 degrees and a camber distance of 5¼ inches. Now we tested multiple different angles and we found that 30 degrees is the most effective angle while not negatively impacting the balance of the bar when it's resting on your back.
One of the last things you want to worry about when you're re-racking a heavy squat is whether or not your barbell is going to hit the J-cups. One of the things we noticed during product testing is that competitors' bars have a distance between the bends that's smaller, so it can either hit your J-cups or it can tilt them inwards when you're re-racking. Our bar was designed so that the distance between the bends is just over 49 inches, meaning that you can comfortably re-rack our bar on 47 and 49-inch racks.
So when designing this bar, we had durability in mind, so we chose to use a hard chrome coating on the sleeve. Now hard chrome is more expensive than standard bright chrome, but it provides incredible wear resistance as well as corrosion resistance to the sleeve. Not only that, it provides a smooth finish where you can easily slide plates on and off. And on the bar, we chose a metallic black powder coat, which is a little bit more scratch resistant than matte black and provides this really nice finish to the bar. So a lot of specialty bars on the market don't actually fit standard Olympic collars. And now this is annoying because after you buy your bar, you still have to invest another $40 to find collars that fit. Now with our safety squat bar, we made sure that our hard chrome sleeves fit standard Olympic collars with no issues. So another thing to note is that these sleeves have a 15.5-inch loadable sleeve length, which allows you to fit up to 515 pounds with our bumper plates and up to 900 pounds with iron plates, which we've tested dynamically, and we can be confident to say that this bar will stand up to all your training needs. A differentiating feature that makes this bar really awesome is these beefy knurled handles. Now these handles are 38 millimeters and feature an aggressive knurl, which gives you a secure grip when using the bar with heavy loads. Not only that, but these handles are also removable, which means this bar can be used for exercises such as a JM press or a Zercher squat, which makes it a more versatile tool for your home gym.
Because these handles are removable, we're already in the process of creating other handle attachments for this bar. Our pad is made with a high density foam and is covered in a heavy duty vinyl. High density foam is great because it stands the test of time while still maintaining its shape. Our pad is going to feel a little stiff at first, but it'll break in over time and will sit comfortably around your shoulders and traps, even if you got a smaller build like Jason here.
So here I am standing next to two of our safety squat bars. The bar on top is our final finished product, and this bar here is one of our earlier prototypes. To design the best bar possible, it often takes multiple design iterations and prototypes to find a design that we really like. When we think we found a design that we like, we bring in our product testing group to help us test the bar. Our product testing group is a group of 20 individuals who don't work for rep, but really just love home gym equipment. We had our product testing group come in and test this prototype and helped us identify some changes that we wanted to make. Jack here is going to walk us through some of those changes that we made.
The feedback we received from our product testing group led us to making 3 major changes from the prototype to the final product. The finish on the bar was changed from matte black to metallic black to become more scratch resistant. The density in the pad was increased so that it wouldn't degrade as quickly over time. And these smaller handles you see here were upgraded to become the beefy 38 mil handles that you see now.
So to further validate why we think this is one of the best safety squat bars in the market, we did a really cool activity using our product testing group. What we did was a blind study between this prototype bar and other competitors' bars. We removed all logos and markings from this bar and the competitor's bar, and we had our group vote which bar was their favorite. Consensus was that this prototype bar was the best safety squat bar of the group. And we've only made it better in this iteration. And we can confidently say that we believe this is one of the best safety squat bars you can buy.
Now, how is your safety squat bar going to arrive at your door? The bar and the pad are coming in 2 separate boxes, and this was done for 2 reasons. 1, so we didn't have to make any compromises on design, and 2, so that the packages could arrive at your door without any damage. There's a little bit of assembly required when you get those packages, a little less than 5 minutes, but we'll show you how to put those pieces together in our unboxing and assembly video that's coming later.
So this bar has been a labor of love for us. We've worked really hard and we truly think we've hit a home run on this one.
If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our Colorado-based customer support team. We're really excited to get this bar into your hands.